Hi everyone, welcome to Maya's channel. Today is again cooking video. Today I come up with a breakfast recipe which is very easy and simple and ready to eat. $35 ml oil, any oil works. I consider this spoon as 5 ml. Mix it well and add cold water, just normal tap water. I'm checking if there are any lumps. And keep this for 10 minutes. Yeah. Ingredients for the recipe. I have taken 1 cup batter and 1 capsicum and half green capsicum or bell pepper and 1 chopped onion and 1 chili, green chili, and here I have taken puffed chickpea dal, or you can say putnal papu, or it is available in any Indian stores. And to this I have added 1 spoon chili powder and 1 spoon salt and grind it to the powder. Now let's start the recipe. Now add chili powder as per your taste. I'm adding pinch salt and 1 spoon chickpea powder, give a mix, and spread it well. Drop idli batter. You can make this from scratch also. I'm just using the instant one. We can drop at least 3 to 4 idlis depending on the size of the pan. And slow down and cover with the lid. Done. I'll remove the lid and I'm going to sprinkle some chickpea powder and turn this. Cover with lid and wait for a few minutes. Turn off and serve it in the plate. Let me show you the other side. Look. Crispy idli is ready and it's ready to serve. Serve hot. If you like my video, share with your friends and see you next time with new recipe. Thank you for watching.